Okay, I harvested some sage from my front yard and I'm going to make a tincture today. So I have washed and dried the sage and I have placed a few leaves in a glass container because I'm going to fill this with some vodka so that I can make a sage tincture. Now, sage has a lot of medicinal properties. It's very, very good for sore throats. It's antibacterial, it's antifungal. It also lowers your blood sugar. And so, to have this in a tincture that has to sit between 4 and 6 weeks so it can absorb all of those medicinal properties are really, really good. Now, I'm taking this Four Freedoms vodka. It's very cheap from Kroger, and I made sure that it was 80 or 100 proof. And I'm going to fill the jars all the way over the sage leaves. This is going to soak up all of those good nutrients and antioxidants. And so I got this jar from Dollar Tree, and I just filled some washed sage and put it in there. And then I'm just going to cover it with the alcohol and make sure it is closed tight and placed in a dark space. Sage is also known for reducing stress, supporting digestion, reducing inflammation, and getting rid of headaches. Sage is really, really a powerful herb, and it's not only just used for the dressing during Thanksgiving. So I filled my jar with vodka, and I'm going to let this sit for 4 to 6 weeks. I'm also going to place a label on it so that I know and can remember when I put the vodka over the herbs and when it should be ready. If you have fresh herbs at home and want to make a tincture out of them, make sure you have enough and you can place it in any mason jar, in this type of jar that I have from Dollar Tree, and let it sit for 4 to 6 weeks in either alcohol, apple cider vinegar, or vegetable glycerin, and you have yourself some medicinal power.